In this video, I'll show you how to connect a USB flash drive like this one on the back of your Fire TV, on your Insignia Fire TV. This way you'll be able to watch all your movies that are on your USB drive and also pictures or listen to music. So let's get started. So this is the back of the Insignia Fire TV, and usually the USB port will be located on the top. Fortunately for us, everything is very well labeled on the side. So over here we have USB, and we know that this is a USB port. So take your flash drive and simply insert it there, like so. Now let's go on the screen. Now you may get a message over here that it has detected something got connected. Don't worry if you don't see anything. All you have to do now is take your remote control, press the home button, this button, so you are on this page. And now you need to go over here. It's the first option, which is inputs. Select inputs, go down and select media player. Select allow. And now you see all the pictures, all the movies and music that are on your USB drive. If it's not able to read your USB drive, make sure it's formatted in FAT32 or exFAT. These are the formats that your Insignia TV will be able to read. So over here I have everything, and if you want to select, let's say, just videos, you can select videos, just image, or just audio. Here it's all mixed up. So once you see something you want, you simply have to click on it. This is a picture, so it's not a video, nothing will play, and it will start right away. Go back, you can use the play, pause button, skip. All the buttons that you're usually using will be compatible with this media player. At the end, once you're done using this USB flash drive, you can leave it there, okay? Nothing will break by doing so, or you can simply go on the back of your TV and remove it. You don't have to eject it like on a Mac or a PC. You simply have to disconnect it manually, and this is about it. Leave a comment down below if my video was helpful. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.